Where you to? What's going down with it, man? It's your boy TRAVYJ. Back at you with another one, man. Hope everybody's feeling good, feeling blessed on this beautiful Memorial Day, Monday, man. Top of the week. Y'all already know what we got to do, man. We got some things to discuss, and I got a quick unboxing for y'all today, man. Something I picked up on last week, and I wanted to share that with y'all today because I got this shoe for a steal, man, and it's something that I've been wanting for a while, and I kind of just gave up on it because I knew I wasn't going to pay but so much for it, you know what I'm saying, over retail. So we got that, and I'm going to just talk to y'all about these upcoming releases that we got this week, and it's shaping up to be a solid week, y'all. You know, a couple of notable releases that I want to talk to y'all about, and we're going to touch on that, man, and I'm going to let y'all get back to doing what you were doing, man. I hope everybody had a good day off, you know, kicking it with family and friends. If you threw some food on the grill, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that, but it's back to reality tomorrow, man. It's back to the grind, back to the workplace, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. You know, we got to keep bringing that money in so we can keep copping these shoes. You know what I'm saying? But yes, sir, man, before we dive on in, I need y'all to go ahead and do your boy a big solid. Go ahead and tap that subscribe button. Hit that like button for me below as well. And also, while you're at it, go and look me up on Instagram and give me a follow at Mr. TRAVYJ. That's what all the magic happens, man. The on-feed picks, the outfit of the day, kicks of the day, anything sneaker related, you will find it on there. I try to post some steals and deals on there from time to time from Soul Links, but most of the time, by the time y'all see it, it's already long gone. But who knows, man? Maybe somebody will get lucky one day. But once again, that's Mr. TRAVYJ on Instagram. Give me a follow, and it'll truly be greatly appreciated. All right, y'all, with all that out of the way, let's talk about these upcoming releases. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, starting off the week as far as releases go, on tomorrow, May 27th, we do have the release of the Nike Foamposite in that Psychic Blue colorway. Now, this shoe is already released everywhere else as far as Foot Locker, Hibbett Sports, DTLR, everything like that, but this will have an official Sneakers App release on tomorrow, so if you're looking to pick those up, if you haven't done so yet, they will be available tomorrow on Sneakers App. Now, for me personally, I love the shoe, I love the colorway and everything about it, but it's a pass for me at this moment. That's something I can reach back and grab later when it goes on sale because it is definitely sitting everywhere right now, widely available. So if you want them, you know, feel free to go ahead and grab them. But like I said, Sneakers have delayed their release for some reason, and they will be available tomorrow at 10 a.m. So tomorrow, once again, May 27th, we have the release of the Nike Air Foamposite in that Psychic Blue colorway. All right, y'all, fast forward all the way to Friday, May the 30th. We got 3 shoes releasing on the same day, man. Not 1, not 2, but 3 shoes releasing on the same day, man. So this is gonna be a crazy one on Friday, man. So first up, man, we have the Air Jordan 3 Rare Airs releasing, man. So these right here released early overseas. That's how I picked up my pair early. But as far as the United States, man, the official release date will be this Friday, May 30th, full family size run, man. And this is a dope one, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I wasn't crazy about this shoe at first until I got it in hand. And I must say, man, this one right here is definitely worth a look. So I think it's a dope one, man. Clean shoe in hand, great materials and everything like that. So do not sleep on this one if you like them, man. I think this is gonna catch a lot of people by surprise. They were going for under retail, you know, for a while. I'm not sure what the prices are going for right now. They're probably still around retail, and they still may be under retail. You know what I mean? I haven't checked since I got my pair in hand, but I will have a full review and on feet for y'all probably Thursday, but Friday at the very latest. I definitely want to get these done before the release date because if I hit on the other 2 shoes that I'm about to talk about, I definitely want to go in there and have this, you know, on feet out and ready for y'all to view to let you or help you make up your mind if you decide to cop or not. But yes, this is one of 3 shoes that's releasing on Friday, May the 30th, the Air Jordan 3 Rare Airs. Comment below and let me know if you'll be going after a pair of these. All right, next up, guys, also releasing on May the 30th, we have the return of the Nike Air Diamond Turf in that Ravens colorway. Definitely excited about this one. This is a highly anticipated release for me, and I hope that I can grab a pair for retail on these, man. So we do have them releasing on Finish Line, JD, and Foot Locker and Hibbett Sports right now that I know of. So if you're looking to grab this pair, those are the 3 spots that I know of for sure that's releasing this pair. I put in my raffles already for Hibbett Sports and I want to see if JD Sports is doing exclusive access for these. I doubt it. I'm thinking they're just going to do an online drop on Friday. So I'm hoping that I hit on the Hitbit Sports app so I can actually go pick them up and have them in hand on Friday so I can bring you guys a review as quickly as possible. But I'm definitely excited for that shoe. I've never owned it. I think they last released in like 2009, 2010, and I knew nothing about them then, but this is a dope colorway, and I'm also looking forward to the teal colorway that should be releasing later on this year. So yes, definitely looking forward to those, the Nike Air Diamond Turf, and once again, they will be dropping this Friday, May the 30th. Let me know if you'll be copping a pair. And yes, sir, last but not least, we have another shoe that has released previously already. We had an exclusive drop a couple of months ago. I want to say it was Undefeated. Don't kill me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I knew it was a California exclusive. One of those stores out there released this shoe early. It was the only one that got it, and of course I took an L, and they're releasing this Friday as well. Foot Locker, DTLR. You better get your raffles in as quickly as possible. And yes, I'm talking none other than the Kobe 6 Protro in that Dodgers colorway, man. Need them. Gotta have them. Man, I need these, y'all. DTLR, Foot Locker, look out for your boy on this one. And you know what? I ain't gonna hold y'all. Foot Locker always gives me a dub when it comes to the Kobe's, man. I am undefeated when it comes to Kobe's on Foot Locker, so hopefully we keep that streak alive. Hopefully that streak continues, because I definitely need these, man. This is a shoe that I've been wanting for a while, and I almost bit the bullet and paid resale for it, but I said, you know what? I think these are gonna have a wider release, so I stayed patient, and here we are. So I got two chances. I already got my raffles in at DTLR, I got my raffles in at Foot Locker, and I got a lot of flex points going into these Kobe's, man, because I definitely need these shoes, man. So hopefully, you know, I come back with a dub. Hopefully that that Foot Locker streak continues, and if I end up hitting on both, I'll cop both, and I'll just flip one and use it for trade bait, whatever the case may be. But yes, Friday, May the 30th, we will see a wider release of the Kobe 6 Protro in that Dodgers colorway, man. Beautiful shoe, clean shoe. Definitely been wanting these for a while now. And yeah, man, I need them. That's all I got to say on these. And that pretty much wraps it up for Friday, guys. So it's looking like Friday is going to be the busiest day of the week, man. We got a lot going on. So we got 3 shoes releasing. Y'all comment below and let me know if you were going after any of those shoes, or if you're going after all of them for that matter. I already got Rare Air 3s, so all I need is the Diamond Turfs and the Kobe's. And if all goes well, I'll be picking up 2 shoes on Friday. So y'all wish your boy some luck, man, and hopefully the sneaker guys bless your boy with both pairs, man, because I definitely need those in the collection. So that's Friday for you. And last but not least, to end off the week, on Saturday, May the 31st, we do have the release of an Air Jordan 1 women's exclusive. It's going to be an Air Jordan 1 in the ruby colorway. This is just a bread toe, black toe colorway to me. It's an okay shoe. You know, it's nothing we haven't seen. To me, honestly, it looks like an Air Jordan 1 that's got confetti sprinkles all over. It looks like a project. That's what it looks like to me. And that's it, man. So if any ladies are going for that, comment below, let me know. But like I said, I think that shoe is gonna sit. I don't think anybody's checking for that. It's just one of those unnecessary shoes to end off the month. And that's pretty much it, man. So with that being said, that is the week that's coming up right now, man. A lot going on, like I said, especially on Friday, man. So comment below if you will be going for any of these shoes this week, man, and let me know if you got raffles in or anything like that. So before we get out of here, I do want to go and show y'all an unboxing of a shoe that I picked up on last week for a steal. Well, when I say steal, I do mean steal. So let's go and get them out of the box. And yes, sir, as you can see, man, y'all already know what kind of box this is, man. Got them Travy things, man, you know what I mean? But yes, sir, this is one that I've been wanting for a while. This shoe released last year, and you know, I took an L on it, and I told myself I'm not paying resale for this shoe. I'm just not doing it. So I said, if I can't get this shoe, it was a retailer bust shoe for me. And funny how things come around full circle. I got these from Grail Nation. That's a local resale boutique in my area. They do buy, sell, trade, and those guys do phenomenal business. I have no bad complaints about them. They've always been good to me. Honestly, y'all, all the shoes that I've gotten rid of lately out of my collection, I take it straight to them, and they are very fair. They are very reasonable, and they're negotiable. You know, they don't try to rip you off or anything like that, man. They are very fair, very reasonable, and I cannot stress that enough. So anytime I want to get rid of shoes, do a trade or anything like that, that is my go-to spot. So shout out to Grail Nation for these. They posted these on the story, and I knew I wanted them, and it was, I mean, I couldn't pass it up. And I had a store credit with them for about a year now, and I just never use it. And I said, I'm gonna use this store credit as soon as I find a shoe that's worth me using it on. I didn't want to use it on nothing like a GR, nothing like that. I wanted to use it on something like this that's limited and, you know, hard to get my hands on. And this is the one. They posted up on this story, and I went there as soon as they opened and copped these because I knew these weren't gonna last long. So we're gonna go ahead and take them out of the box. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and read the label first. So we got the women's Air Jordan 1 Low OG SP. Colorway is gonna be canary, racer blue, light silver, personal size, personal pair, 10.5 in women's, which equals a size 9 in men's. And if you know, this is a Travis Scott box, and by the colorway, y'all should already know that your boy secured the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low Elkins, guys, man. Yes, sir. Talk to me, man. Now, first of all, these are used. This is a used pair, but you can't even tell the difference, man. I mean, look at the outsole. Look at the outsole. Look at the, I mean, these were probably literally only worn one time. So it was a crazy, crazy steal in my opinion. And I had to go ahead and grab these. I said, you know what? It's now or never, Trav. It's now or never. This is the right shoe. I'll let y'all take a look at the left shoe as well, man. Outsole still intact. You know, all the stars are still there on the Jordan 1. Like I said, these had to be only worn literally one time, man. Very lightly worn, no creases or anything like that. I mean, listen, man, buttery leather. I had to grab them. I mean, when I saw it, I said, this is the one. You got the credit, go ahead and use it. And hey, man, I did it, man. Transaction took 5 minutes. I was the first customer that day. I said, run it. I need them. But yes, I still got all the OG laces. Everything came OG all. You got your yellow laces, and also got the red laces as well, guys. So y'all comment below and let me know how I did, man. Like I said, I paid $200 out the door for them. I think retail was $150. So I mean, listen, they wanted what did they want for these? They wanted I think they wanted they wanted 300. That's what it was. They wanted 300. So I basically got them half off, man. I got them half off, and listen, I'm happy with this one, y'all. This is one that I was waiting to add to the collection, and hey, man, they finally here. So, you know, another low, you know, and this is the perfect time for me to grab these. I got these just in time for the summer. So yeah, these are definitely going straight to feet ASAP, y'all. But yes, sir, y'all comment below and let me know how I did on that one, man. I mean, I think I did pretty good, man. I think I came out okay. You know, as far as the condition and everything like that, I think I got these for a steal. Y'all let me know if I got, if I was had, if I was bamboozled. Y'all let me know, man. But I think I did pretty damn good, you know, on this one right here, man. So especially on the shoe that, you know, I've been waiting on. And this is, I mean, I'm telling you, they tried these on. I mean, I don't think they even walked around in these. So hey, I'm happy with this one, man. I got lucky on this one. But with that being said, I think I'm gonna go and wrap it up right here. Y'all comment below and let me know if you will be going after any of the pairs I mentioned in this video earlier. And if you are, best of luck to you. Good luck to everybody that's going after anything that I mentioned in this video, man, because it's gonna be a lot going on this week. Fun-filled week for sneakers, man. And all I gotta say is sneakers is back, man. But I'm gonna go and wrap it up right here, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and checking out this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to check out my videos as well. And yes, you guessed it, we'll be back same time, same place tomorrow for a shoe that kind of slid under the radar, man. I forgot to bring y'all a review to that one, so we're gonna talk about that one tomorrow. And hey, man, we gotta get through the week, man, because it's gonna be a crazy one. But I'm out of here, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. But before I go, I just want to let you know, you never get a second chance to make a first impression, so always put your best foot forward. And on that note, y'all stay blessed, y'all stay fresh, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. All right, I'm gone.